on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Glow Addict unboxing for September 2020. I will leave my Glow Addict playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Glow Addict has 3 different tiers. They have the beauty bag that is $13.99, the beauty box that's $18.99, and then the skincare box for $24.99. I get all 3 tiers because they are quite different from each other. I'm not sure which box is skincare, which one's the beauty box, so let's start with the beauty bag. Okay. The first item we got are Cbd Gummies. I'm not the biggest fan of peach. Chef Matt is leading the pack when it comes to cooking with CBD and cannabis. Didn't know you could put items like this in a beauty box. Okay, I'm a little shocked right there. The second item, we have a crease brush by Beauty by a Bird. I have not heard of that brand before. Ooh, but this crease brush, it is super soft and it has some nice density to it. I can never have too many crease brushes, so I definitely gotta give this a shot, blending out shades on the crease. The third item, we have this adorable brush cleaner. I think this is going to be really nice, especially for eye brushes. I have a larger one by Sigma that I use for my face brushes, and I normally use bars of soap to clean my eye brushes, so I can see myself dipping into a bar of soap and then cleansing the brush on the different areas of this cleanser. And then the last item in the beauty bag we have by Auckland Cosmetics. This is the Mysterious 2 palette, and this is what the inside looks like. I am really excited for this, and of course we gotta do swatches. Top row, I'm just gonna put them on the back of my hand. Bottom row. And this is the face palette swatched. Overall, I'm super pleased how everything's swatched. There is pigment all the way through. I really like how we have 2 blushes, a bronzer, and 3 highlighters. At first, I was thinking that this was going to be a glowy bronze, but it definitely has that more metallic finish that the other highlighters have. Aside from the gummies, I am very pleased for the beauty bag. I think that this face palette is going to get a lot of use because it has a bronzer, 2 blushes, and 3 highlighters. I think it's going to pair well with a lot of different looks, whether it be neutral, smoky, or bold. And I can never have too many crease brushes, and I have a nice cleanser to clean it when it gets dirty. Let's move on to the second box. And this is what the inside of the beauty box looks like. The first product is by ADDICT, and this is the contour palette. I'm gonna set this aside for a giveaway, but I just want to make sure that it's not broken. Crap, it is. So I'm gonna have to reach out to Glow Addict to get a replacement set. Maybe I'll keep this one for myself to practice contouring. But I recently decluttered all of my contour palettes. We got another brush cleanser. I'm gonna set this one aside as well for the giveaway. The third item is by Flaunt Beauty, and these are the magnetic faux mink lashes. I have not tried magnetic lashes yet. I'm excited. Instead of taking my usual eyeliner, I'm gonna take this and follow my lash line on my lid, and then they're supposed to stick like magnet, which is very interesting. I've always wanted to try magnetic lashes, but now that I've gotten comfortable with glue and found a glue that really worked out for me, I just haven't been interested in trying magnetic lashes anymore. But to get them in the box, it is my time. I also really like the style of lash. It goes short, thin, and it also starts thin and like the inner portion of your eye and fans out to be more dramatic towards the outer portion, similar to the style that I have on today. The last item is a lip oil by Steve Laurent, and we got the shade Orchid, and this is what the shade Orchid looks like. This item will also be set aside for a future giveaway. Lastly, we received an eyelash applicator by iBeauty. I honestly thought that this might have been part of the lashes until that I saw iBeauty, but this is really nice. It's a good way to help apply eyelashes as opposed to using tweezers and poking your eye out, where this doesn't have nearly as sharp of a point. I really like using tools like this to help press down on the outer and inner portions of my eye, making sure that the lash is adhering. My old one from Kiss is getting pretty gross, so I might just declutter that and stick to this one. Overall, for the beauty box, I thought there was a nice variation of products. I'm just sad that I received the ADDICT contour palette broken. I hope they're able to send me out a replacement, that way I can share one with you guys. I hope you guys are excited for the other items in the giveaway, and I'm also really excited to give magnetic lashes a shot. Lastly, the skincare box. box. And this is what the inside looks like. So the first item we have by Coco Canna Life, and this is the hemp oil body butter. This will also be set aside for a giveaway just because I have a lot of body butters open right now. It takes me forever to get through with them, and I just don't want to swatch it once and then it collect dust just to get decluttered. The third item is by Love Happy Faces, and this is the clay mask. This is made with turmeric, so I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway as well, since my face does have some sensitivity with turmeric. We have a stack of lip scrubs or something. I am not entirely sure, and there's no brand by it. I don't know. I'm not really feeling Glow Addict this month. There's just a bunch of different unique products, which is fine, but some of it just looks a little sketch between these and the CBD Gummies. I guess CBD is the theme because by Millennial Beauté we received the Rose All Day. CBD Collagen. Okay. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be used for. Oh, except getting it all over myself. So is this a cleanser? A mask? The world may never know. And then we got this item by Vivo. At-home urine test strips for nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your body's needs. Vivo helps you track your hydration level, pH, ketones, UTIs, and much more. Download the Vivo app for free and let the journey begin. Weird product to receive as well, just like the gummies. Overall, this is probably like the most disappointing skincare box that I've received from Glow Addict. I usually really look forward to their products. I don't really know why these lip scrubs are not really labeled with anything by either a brand or what they're for, so I'm just going to toss them in the trash. I don't really know what this Rosé All Day collagen is supposed to be, so that will probably be decluttered as well. I think that the body butter is pretty solid, and I wish I could use the clay mask. It's just I have sensitivity to turmeric, so I'm sad that I'm not able to try that. I think as a whole, I'm not really feeling Glow Addict. Aside from these lashes and then like the Octoline face palette, those are like the only items I'm really excited for, and getting 3 different tiers and just 2 products that I'm like, yay, looking for, it's just kind of sad. But boxes do have their ups and down months. This is definitely a down month, and I hope that October's is going to be a little bit better. I would love to know if you guys get Glow Addict. Do you get the beauty bag, the beauty box, or the skincare box? Were there any variations to any of the products? How do you guys feel about the products received? What did you love and what worked out for you? And then what products did you not love, or did you end up decluttering kind of like me? And are you guys looking forward to October's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.